Hello guys, I hope you are doing well. In this video we are going to talk about uh, how to plot in SigmaPlot. Okay, so you have to install the software SigmaPlot. Okay, when you open your SigmaPlot it will be interface like this. Okay, you have data, or maybe you will have graph. This one, maybe you will not have this one, you have to create a new one, but you will surely have this here. Okay, so you have to insert your data and you have to plot. Okay, so I have two files. Okay, one is the s parameter files that I have exported from the CST studio. Okay, so it has two columns, so you can do two things. uh, okay, better you go uh, okay, so you have to click here the Excel. Okay, okay, go here and then click open and then choose PC. Okay, then go to desktop and choose your file. Okay, so I have three files: s11, p1, 590 and 50. Okay, so you click next and you have to choose the space. Okay, finish. Click next and you choose space, finish. Click next, choose space, finish. Okay, so first we will draw the s parameters. Okay, so we have two columns, so I select both columns. Okay, so I will go here and then I will paste here. Okay, so I don't need these two, so I will delete this one. Okay, also I want delete cells so that it will go up. Okay, like this. So now you have to choose, select both columns. Okay, just right click of your mouse. Okay, and choose both. Okay, then you will go here. Okay, and create graph. Okay, you want to create graph like this. Okay, so this one is better, x y pair. Okay, this one is x, this one is y pair. Okay, so click next and you will choose first column. Data for y is the x. Okay, and data for x is the column 1. Okay, click finish. Okay, you will have a plot like this. Okay, so you have to do the scaling. Okay, you can delete this one. Okay, you want uh, as parameters. Okay, parameters in dB. Okay, and you have the frequency in gigahertz. Okay, okay, now you have to do the scaling. Okay, so first we change the font. Okay, times, it should be in times new roman. Okay, this one, yes, it did for everything. Okay, so now we have to increase up to 22 and bold. Okay, also this one, let's say 20 and bold. You can do 22. Okay, for all, or you can select all, do bold. Okay, and then you can select this one and do 22. You can select font size 22. Okay, 22. Now you want to change the color of this one, you can choose any color. Okay, let's say use red color, and the line thickness, let's say this one, and also you can choose dash. Okay, like this. You just need scaling. Okay, so it will start from 0.5 to 1.6, so you want from 0.5 to 1.5. Okay, okay, so it's fine. And for the, yes, okay, for the scaling on the y-axis you can select this. Okay, so you can also increase more thickness if you want. Okay, and you can also make a line. Okay, to show 10 dB line. Okay, okay, then you select this line. Okay, you can also make it dashed line. Okay, and also you can change the color. Okay, and here you can write the name. Okay, it should be okay. Here you have to write S11. Okay, you can also increase its font size. Okay, this is your S11. So in this way you can plot your graph. Okay, so you can also export this page. Okay, or select all, copy. Okay, then you can paste here. Okay, and you can choose this one. Okay, your like a PNG. So in this way you can have very high quality graph. Okay, you can see this is very high quality. So uh, let us try for the I'm going to delete this one, and let us try with phi 0. Okay, we have theta and phi. Okay, we have theta and phi, and also for this phi 90. Okay, so I delete these two columns, rows. Okay, now I think in SigmaPlot you need just one y-axis. Okay, but let us try how we can deal. Let us uh, go with one. Okay, so we have to go to create graph. If we select all, let us see polar plot. Okay, and this one. Okay, polar lines. So you have from 0 to 360. Click next. Okay, you have first theta and then phi. Okay, finish. Okay, okay, you will have plot like this. Okay, so you have to adjust the scaling. Okay, just have to go to scaling, and let's say you want the end point, for example -25. Okay, you will have the E plane and H plane. Okay, and if you don't want so many columns, you can also delete this column. Okay, and also delete this one. Okay, so you will do the same thing that we did for previous as parameters. Okay, so you will bold this one. You will choose time new Roman. Okay, and also for this one time new Roman. You have to choose time new Roman. Okay, now you select colors. Okay, you can also increase the thickness if you want, up to 3. Okay, and for this one you can also change the color into maybe purple or blue. Okay, and you can increase the thickness up to 3. Okay, you can also change into dash. Okay, like this, and you can increase the font size up to 24, for example. Okay, so in this way you can have plot. Okay, you can also change the color of these circles. Okay, okay, so in this way you can also plot your radiation pattern. Okay, okay, you have E plane and you have H plane. Okay, polar plot, you can delete the heading and you can move it here. Okay, okay, double click on and you can select this one is E plane. Okay, and the second one is H plane. Okay, okay, close this one, and you can also increase the font size if you want. Okay, so you have E plane and H plane, and you can, in this way you can plot your graphs. Okay.